morning, guys. It is 5 a.m. and I am going to spin. I have not been to spin in a week because when Christmas came, my cousins came, I didn't go, and it's my first day back, so this should be interesting. I'm gonna go have some coffee. Just got to spin. It is 5:47 a.m. I'm kind of tired, but I am pretty excited to spin. So yeah, you guys know the routine. I spin, I go to Starbucks, I do some work depends how productive I'm feeling, and then go back to my spin and work there for 2 hours doing front desk, and then we'll see where my day takes me. So I don't know how much I can vlog in between all of that, but that's the update. That's what's going on, and my throat and my voice sounds awful, but let's go. Let's head in. Hey guys, oh sorry, I forgot that my car beeps like 8 times before it starts, but yeah, I am done spin. It was pretty chill. I'm upped, I cleaned, I'm turning, so the camera's gonna go flying. My class this morning was really good. I got really into it. I know classes are good because sometimes I do spin classes and I'm like, okay, 3 more songs, you're almost done, like make it through. But this one, she was like, okay, like that's it. And I was like, what? But my hair looks so atrocious right now. Oh my God, I sweated so much. My hair got so frizzy and gross, but that's okay. So yeah, it's 10:38. We got out really quick because no one showered, and yeah, I'm gonna go home and redo my hair. And then today, my mom and I are going to a town nearby to meet up with this little cutie who fundraises for my mom's charity, and we're just gonna meet up with them and have some lunch. Or not lunch, we have some coffee, and my mom has to run some errands, and I'm just gonna come along. Okay, I'm home now. I touched up my hair, so it's less crazy. It's more still frizzy just because that's the way my hair is, but it's a bit better. So I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on, and then my mom now texts me saying that she wants to go out. So I don't know where she is. She's not home right now, but I'm gonna put some makeup on. I'm just gonna stay in what I'm wearing, to be honest. I couldn't be bothered, so yeah. Next time you see me, maybe I'll look a little, like I feel like every time I record, I'm just getting inches better, and then soon we'll be at like a 6 instead of a 2. Should I keep my hair like, this is great, this, or do we like the hat and wear the hat with it? I feel like it's a hat vibe, you know, like a sporty mom hitting the town. That's what I'm thinking. Or I could do no hat. No, it's definitely a hat vibe. Okay, cool. I think I'm just gonna throw on some mascara, fill in my eyebrows, and call it a day, and then head on to this cute little town. I'm excited. And this is the best it's gonna get. I just threw on literally concealer, eyebrows, and mascara, and yeah, I'm heading out now, and we will see what I don't actually really know where I'm even going, what we're doing, but I'm ready, so let's go. We're on our way to, I don't really know. We're going to, we have some stops to make. It's a big area. We're going to Georgetown, because I'm the events person for Goodfellas. I'm going to visit some businesses. Yeah, and I'm just coming. No, and then we're going to meet our ambassador for Erica's Wish, because she did some fundraising, and we have to pick up the money, and they live in Georgetown, so it all works out. And we're going to a cute coffee shop apparently, which is, oh yeah, you're gonna love it. It's really up cute. My alley. Very in a little town on a main street. Love that. Maybe mom can take some pictures of me today for my Instagram. I could. We made it to Italy, guys. No, we made it to Georgetown, and now we're getting pizza from a place that mom does their social media for. And they're gonna hate us because we have a bitchy ass order. We got some soup You excited?
I'm very excited.
We had lunch, we had penne. We broke vegan because it had cheese.
A few sprinkles.
So it's okay, we'll survive. Now we're kind of just driving around because it ended earlier than we thought it would. I got offered a job.
That was funny.
But yeah, we're just kind of killing time until we have our little coffee date. And then, I don't know. I guess we'll go to the outlet, maybe Milton, we don't know. But you'll know before I do. You got it?
Got it.
So we had plans to walk through here and walk through Milton, but then we went outside. And it's really
Thinking Sherway.
We had no luck. They wouldn't accept mom's return, shouldn't have the credit card. And at Lulu I couldn't find anything, so we're not doing that. And then we're just, I lost mom, okay. It's just mom and I for dinner, so we're gonna get Chipotle. Wow. We came home, we ate the Chipotle, and now I'm laying in bed watching you. Ignore my mom, she's talking to herself, but I'm laying in my bed, I'm watching you, like the Netflix show, not you. But yeah, we're gonna fucking crazy. So I watched You. I ran out actually and got a few groceries with my mom, and then my brother came down and we just like caught up for like an hour and chatted because he was gone all day. He's like my best friend, so it's normal. It's like chatting with your best friend. But I'm now going to bed. I'm wearing my ex-boyfriend's hoodie and Lulu shorts, and I sleep in socks. I know it's weird, but I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to bed. So